In this video, we're going to show you how to install the vapor canister purge solenoid on your Ford Focus located on the back firewall. With the hood open, you're going to go ahead and locate this heat shield on the back firewall area. Now it's held in place by two metal clips. We're going to use our trim tool. Get right behind that little button and pry that out gently. And then we'll do the same on the back section here. Pry that one up. And then go ahead and remove the heat shield. Now on the top of the unit right here, this is the component we're going to be replacing. Electrical connector here. We're going to simply press down on the top and release this electrical connector. Pop that off. Now the second line down here is going to have a blue clip on it, and this blue clip is a locking clip, and we need to release that. So what we're going to do is two little tabs on the bottom side here. We're going to use two fingers, open those clips up and push that up. I'm going to show you that again. Push those two little tabs and that clip comes up. That's going to expose a white push tab on the side right here. If you want to, you can use your finger. I'm going to use a screwdriver, a pocket screwdriver, to push on that. And then pull that off. Now the third connector on the bottom here, there's a white clip, and this is also a locking tab. Now there's two tabs on the bottom here. We're simply going to pinch those and push that connector up, or that locking tab up. So pinch these two together. You can see that pop up on the top there. Make sure that's all the way up, and then you can go ahead and pull this off. Here it is. Now we have all three connections off. Our next step is to go ahead and remove the component. Now in order to remove this part, it's very, very easy. On the back side here, if you put your finger on the back, there's a little tab. You're going to feel a flat blade tab. You're going to put your finger behind and pull it towards you, and then push the component to the right. Here is that little tab, the little rectangular tab. You just push that in and release the lock tab on it. All right, we're going to install a new component. I'm just going to reverse the procedure. You do not have to touch that tab. It's going to be a self-locking component. So line that up on the bracket, push it on. You can hear it engage. As far as the connectors go, we're going to start with the bottom one. Got to line this up, push it on. Make sure it's fully seated. It goes all the way up, and then press that white lock tab down. You're going to hear it engage. Grab that blue one. Line that up, push it all the way on. You can hear it click in, and then push that blue lock tab or lock down. Grab that electrical connector, bring that over, push that on. Now you want to go ahead and install the heat shield. It's going to bring that down. Line it up, push the lock tabs in, or the little retaining button, lock that in, lock this in. Now, if you have a check engine light on due to this component acting out, go ahead and use a scan tool, properly clear that code, and then go for a road test.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.